I'm going to show you how to do email mail merge in Word. However, I'm starting out in Excel because this is usually where you'll want to create the list of the people that will be getting your email mail merge. You'll most likely want their name, definitely their email address, and any other custom messages you want to include. So now I'm in Word and I'll go up to the Mailings tab and I'll choose Select Recipients. And this is where I'll point to the Excel file. And I'll choose OK. And now I'll write my email message. I'll say hi, and then I want to personalize it. So I'll click on Insert Merge Field. There's the first name. I'll put a comma, hit Enter, and then I'll go back to Insert Merge Field and I'll choose my message. I finished my email message. I'll go to Finish and Merge, and then I'll choose Merge to Email. I'll type my subject line, and in To, I'll select the email field. I'll click Mail Merge to Outlook, and individual email messages will be sent.